These are the yellow lifts of St Andrew's Hospital. So let's go for the other one. What's your door tracks? Let's go to might be locked. Okay. Radio like indicators? I'm not sure what these are. Because there's Wittur doors, they're used on everything pretty much. These ones are getting lift replaced, or who knows, maybe modernised. Really hard to tell what these are originally. I'm guessing Otis, because I reckon that's the original, those lanterns and indicators. Give me access 2? Nope, give me access. Let's go to 4. Yeah, the doors are original Wittur. Definitely not smoothest lifts. Personally, I think the blue lifts need replacement, but whatever. I think they're all getting replaced because it says the first building will be yellow, so I'm guessing they're doing all of them.